Hello all, welcome back. This video is about my final project of CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. Before deep diving into specific features and functionalities, let me give you an overview of this web application. Well, seems like this website is concerned with only the people of Myanmar. In fact, you can learn the motive behind this project idea in the description below. So basically, this is a website for supporting Myanmar people financially and spiritually during their revolution with its two features, which are Donation Hub and Stay Connected. So let's see Donations Hub. This feature essentially shows a collection of links where we can donate, which are grouped by categories. So how the data, specifically links, are compiled or gathered in the first place? Well, this is where the roles of users come into play. Here, via this form, users can suggest to the admin links where we can donate. Let's imagine I'm users who gonna suggest a link. For the URL, hopefully it doesn't really exist. For the description, let's say this is trustworthy, even though this field is optional. For the categories, we can choose any of these 6 categories here. So let's say this charity is helping the refugees, and for the date, let's choose a random one. Now we are ready to submit. Bear in mind that the submitted data will not be added to the database first, as long as the form is submitted. Instead, those data will be sent to the admin mailbox first, so that the admin can check the submitted data. So let's submit it. Now we can see the message being showed up. Now, since I'm the admin, I can check the admin mailbox. Now we can see the message. Now, only after I've approved the submission will the link be added to the website. So let's click OK. Alright, where we can find the links? Great questions. Here's the 6 categories of donation links. We can click any of these. So, alright, here are the links, and we can expand them to see its description and follow the links. So where's the link we submitted earlier? Alright, now we can see it. Alright, let's move on to another feature. The first thing we see is the description of the feature as usual. What this feature does is that if a user has subscribed to our mailing service, they will receive an email on a time interval they have set. Inside those emails are heartwarming, motivational, encouraging messages that keep people feel a sense of connectivity between users and give them spiritual energy, if you will. Yep, this sounds pretty awkward, but you can check the motive behind this idea here, and trust me, I won't spam their inbox. So, let's say I want to receive an email twice a week, and let's subscribe it. Okay, shortly after my subscription, I can see my message. This time I can check my email again with which I've opened this account. Now we can see the new email. Yes, this is how our message looks like. Alright. So, you know what? You can also change the time interval or and subscribe the service if you don't like. My idea is that the messages in this website are collected from the users. So here users can leave a message. So let's type hello all, just to keep simple, and submit it. Again, this message is sent to the admin inbox first before being added to the database. Alright. Finally, if users have anything to report or want to contact us, they can do so from here. So now I've covered pretty much everything about the website, and you can see the authentication procedures, security conditions, and other stuff by visiting to the website, as I've actually hosted it on the server. Last but not least, let me show you the responsiveness of the website. Alright, that's the end of it. So my name is Jadu, and this is CS50. I'm really glad to share the project of my hard work with you. If you are interested in this project, please feel free to check out the description down below. So finally, a day has come to bid farewell to CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. In all seriousness, if you are interested in web programming and if you're a beginner, I really recommend this course. So anyway, I do thank you, all of you, for watching the video till the end, and see you in the next video. Cheers.